In today's video, we're going to talk about 4 breakfast ideas that are great for athletes wanting to kickstart their day. Let's go. Hi, I'm Aleksa, sports dietitian nutrition coach. Welcome again to one of my videos. Now, before we get into today's topic, remember, do subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with every video I post, no matter if it's educational or it's some delicious recipes for you to try. So the truth is that breakfast has been long touted as kind of the most important meal of the day. And the other truth is that this is not necessarily true. Okay, this is very much contextual. Nutrition is contextual, and it all depends on you as the individual, whether breakfast is or is not a needed aspect of your diet. i.e., for some, breakfast is suited, for others, not necessarily. However, for most athletes who can stomach some food early in the day, when they wake up or after the first training session, it is ideal to get the fueling started early and kickstart the fueling for the day. So that for the context of this video, let's assume that you yourself are that such athlete. You are a breakfast person. Because today I'm going to introduce you to 4 recipe ideas for breakfast that are quick and easy, so you can never have that excuse of, I had no time to make breakfast, or it just slipped away from you. You won't ever have a reason to skip breakfast again. So without further ado, here's the menu. Breakfast idea number 1, protein oats. Now this can be protein oats in the form of normal warm oats that you cook in the microwave, or it can be overnight oats. Honestly, the world's your oyster when it comes to this. Just choose the one you prefer, perhaps even alternate it. Remember, variety is key, especially with athletes. You don't want to be, experiencing flavor fatigue. So you want to be experimenting with different versions and different ways of cooking it. But protein oats are perfect. They provide you with a good quality, good dose of protein. They provide you with a good quality carbohydrate to kickstart your day. And depending what you add to it, they may even provide you with a little bit of fats. But mainly, it's through the combination of carbs and protein, as well as the filling effect that it has, and plus the versatility of being able to add like fruits and that sort of stuff to make it more, nutritious with the micronutrients and all that sort of stuff. Protein oats are a perfect opportunity for you to really kickstart your day in the right way. The second one is yogurt and fruit. Probably one of my most favorite options when I'm recommending to athletes who just want something super quick and easy that still kicks off the nutrition health box and the nutrition performance box. Because yogurt and fruit, when you combine them, you obviously get a good quality protein combined again with a good quality carb with micronutrients added as well. And in addition to this, it's also just super easy. Literally just grab a tub of yogurt in a bowl, some fruit, wash it, put it in a bowl, and you're done, okay? If you've got some frozen fruit, you can just pop it in straight away. Doesn't matter. It's super quick and easy. You can't have an excuse not to have it. And like an extra easy version is you get yourself a good quality, high protein, low fat yogurt that has some fruit added, like a chobani or something like that. And then that's even quicker of an opportunity for you to have something in if you really can't get some fruit in with your yogurt. So yeah, trust me, yogurt and fruit, you can't go wrong. Number 3 is cottage cheese on toast. Okay, very, very simple, very, very basic, but very, very effective. So cottage cheese is a great source of protein. It's super filling, and it's low calories, so you can eat more of it and still get a good effect. And when you couple that with toast, now you've got a complete meal again. Protein and carbs, and depending what you add to it, maybe you slice up some avocado in there, that works really, really well. You've got some good quality fats to start your day as well. But again, it comes down to the nutritional factor as well as addressing your needs as an athlete from a sports nutrition perspective. We're providing the right nutrients, but in a very easy, quick way. Okay, literally put some toast in the toaster, get some cottage cheese, put it on there, you're done. So yeah, if you haven't already, try cottage cheese on toast, may surprise you. And then number 4, and the final one I'm going to share with you today is the humble smoothie. Okay, you probably expected me to say this one because it's such a classic staple of an athlete's diet, of active individual's diet, of everyone's diet. Okay, it's just a classic staple is having a good quality smoothie to start the day. Now with smoothies, you can either have it like a drink or you can have, the whole smoothie bowl trend where you put it in a bowl and eat it that way. Doesn't matter. Technically the bowl might be more filling because you're eating it slower, but then drinking it could be the quicker way for you as you're running out the door to get on with, do your job, to your sport, whatever it may be. But yeah, again, smoothie, why is it good? Well, you're including fruits and good quality carbs and potentially yogurt and milk. So you're adding some good quality protein. You may be even adding some peanut butter to it, or maybe even some avocado. Works surprisingly well. And adding some healthy fats to it. So again, you've got a complete meal that's perfect to kickstart your fueling. So you can't go wrong with that. And I'm yet to meet someone who doesn't have a blender in the house. So you can always whip it up. There's no excuses. So there you go. That's my 4 super easy, super healthy, super good quality athlete breakfast options, whatever you want to call it, to get your day started in the right way. Now, obviously, as you can see, it's 4 options, but it's not exhaustive, okay? There's obviously options out there that are different to this you can choose that are just as easy. These are just the ones I want to recommend to you today to get you started, make it easier for you, so you can stop going, I can't have breakfast, I don't know what to have, or I don't have time for it. Now you can actually start fueling the day correctly from the get-go without making any excuses and become a better fueled athlete. So use these 4 options, plug and play it into your plan and see how you go. Now what I want to know from you is I want you to comment below, okay? I want you to comment below as always, but this time I want you to tell me, what is your favorite breakfast, okay? If you could choose one breakfast to have, like what is that classic breakfast that you just love to have? Let me know in the comments, I'll be curious to hear what you say. And if you want a sports dietitian to help you, okay? If you want me to personally help you with your sports nutrition and program you for athletic success, let me know, okay? Just send me a message as an email here, okay? Aleksa@theclimbedietitian.com.au. It's in the show notes below. Just send me a message and tell me what are you looking for, like, to address goal-wise. Or you can, even if you're ready to go, you can obviously apply for my 90-day coaching program, which is in the description below as well. And just apply for that. It's a coaching program where I literally work with you for that 90-day sprint. And we're going to address your nutrition, build you up with flexible nutrition, and really address the needs that you have as an athlete. So yeah, if you want that accountability and guidance from a professional, let me know. We can have a chat about it, see if it's a good fit, and get you started. But until then, as always, I want you to hit the like button, okay? Hit the like button if this video has been helpful to you. It's giving you some good ideas to get you started. And as always, subscribe if you haven't done so, okay? So you can stay up to date with all these videos that I release. Stay classy. I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.